Installing a 64-camera CCTV system may look complicated, but once you understand the network layout, it's actually very simple. In this video, I'll explain the complete installation diagram step by step so you can easily understand how every device is connected. Let's start with the cameras.
Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon.
A total of 64 IP CCTV cameras are divided into 8 groups, with 8 cameras in each group. Every group is connected to its own 8-port PoE switch using Cat6 network cables. PoE, or Power over Ethernet, allows a single cable to carry both power and data, making the installation cleaner, faster, and more reliable. Next, all 8 PoE switches are connected to a 48-port gigabit core PoE switch. This core switch acts as the central hub of the entire CCTV network. Instead of connecting every camera directly to the recorder, all camera traffic first passes through the core switch. This improves network performance, simplifies cable management, and makes future upgrades much easier. From the core switch, a network cable connects to the 64-channel network video recorder, or NVR. The NVR is the brain of the surveillance system. It receives video from all 64 cameras, records the footage, manages storage, and allows you to play back recordings whenever needed. To view the live camera feeds locally, connect a monitor to the NVR using an HDMI or VGA cable. This gives you instant access to all camera views, playback, recording settings, and system management. Now let's talk about remote viewing. Connect the NVR to your router using a network cable. Once the internet connection is configured, you can access all your cameras remotely through the manufacturer's mobile app or computer software. Whether you're at home, in the office, or traveling, you can monitor your property from anywhere in the world. To protect the entire system from power failures, it's highly recommended to install a UPS, or uninterruptible power supply. The UPS provides backup power to the NVR, switches, and router, ensuring that recording continues even during short power outages and reducing the risk of data loss.